Okay, yeah, it started. Okay. Hello everybody, and I got a review here. I just went to Toys R Us, as it says Toys R Us. You can tell by the R for R. And let me start off with the smallest thing I have here. I only have two things in here. One is big, one small. So I have this Twilight Sparkle minifigure. I'm just gonna try to open her like on camera. Yeah, this is difficult. As you can see, I have it. And the other thing's a minifigure thing too. But if you want to guess what it is, pause the video and comment down below. She looks like she just popped out. There. Oh shoot, she still has plastic on her. 1 second, I'll pause. Okay guys, something really weird happened. As you can see, you don't really see her body. Her head comes off, and so did her head came off, and so did her skirt. And this is like the same color as her shirt up here. Yeah. I'm just gonna pause a little bit. Actually, I think I don't have to pause. Sorry about my hands. Yeah. In the camera. Yeah. I'm just gonna like put her skirt back on. Like, that was really random. While I was taking her out, her skirt just fell off. Oops. So it's supposed to be up there. It's supposed to be down here. And there. And now I'm just gonna put her head back on. Oh, shoot. There. And as you see, they're bendable. Do her boots come off? No, I don't believe they do. Nope, they don't. But her skirt's coming off again. Yeah, I just won't worry about that. Let's see a bigger thing. How long has it been? Wow, it's been 3 minutes, almost 4 minutes already. Ready? Ta-da! Even comes with that up there. A little board game, rubber chicken, gumball machine, a laptop, a desk too, a little sofa, her bed, a phone. Oh, and it has a selfie stick on it. Oh my gosh. And Gummy the alligator. I haven't got like a set with a bed in a while. And look, pretty sure that's Candyland. It looks like Candyland. Well, I'm gonna pause while I open her. Yeah.